Hey, are you ready to see the transformation of this home? Let's go!
Welcome to my home sweet home.
Hey Joey, remember this is the exact spot when you sit at the original house, the same location. How do you feel now?
I definitely remember the very beginning, how we met and how this ugly house used to be. Thank you so much for transforming this ugly house to this very beautiful home right now. It's so beautiful, it's so me, it's just so elegant. I wanted to have an open space in my mind long ago when I bought this home. So I was thinking, talked to a lot of ID, they told me it's kind of impossible. I'm just wondering how you overcome and how you have the idea to have this concept for me.
Oh well, looking at this house, I can actually read the house. I can read the house. Looking at the space, I find everything is always possible if we do it properly. I mean properly, professionally, and most important, the user must be able to fully utilize the space.
I'm very happy with this open concept. I wanted airflow. He did it. He created the space that I wanted and then the air that I need. From here to here, you see? Actually, if I open up this roller blind, it's actually air blown through. This is my hubby's favorite corner.
Well, this is the space that we have been carefully considered because this is just next to the air well here. We have gone through a couple of thought and ideas. So this is one of the space that's a prerequisite to build a whiskey bar for the hubby. This is her hubby collection here. You can see her wide collection of whiskey, easily accessible to the dining table. Okay.
我们不是酒鬼哦, we just like the host party, okay?
This is one of the space, yes, for display only, for display. You can see her wide collection here. So all carefully hidden, just next to the stairwell. Okay, you will not have any protruding space into the area here. And if you don't need the bar, you can just close with a finger leaf from here to close it.
Okay, and I told you I wanted a space to host the party and to bake and to cook at the same time. This is my favorite part of the house. I can bake, I can cook, I can even host party, put in buffet things here. I always transform here into the food tray area and then here into a very beautiful buffet dining area. So my friends, they will come over here to take their food and they will go over there to eat. It's perfectly, I think it's what I want.
Previously, this is an enclosed space. There wasn't a kitchen here. There was a wall here. So the wall was brought down, then this was a kitchen entrance. So we reconfigured the whole entire space, bringing the kitchen to the back and the dry kitchen to here, this turned into the powder room. As you can see, these are handcrafted fluted panel. Each and every fluted panel is handmade. So what we see here in the living space here, we won't want a door just right in front of you. So we created this fluted panel to conceal the powder room and storeroom. Have a look what we have done here. As you can see in the design aesthetic, two spaces are totally different. From the living to the dining, even right down to the ceiling that we see here. From the dining space, we have a cove lighting with soft ambient lighting. Most important, you can see we have a focal point of these luminous lights. This is one of the lights that's Joey prerequisite, one of the most iconic light that we have here. This is the staircase that leads to second and third floor. We redesigned it to incorporate a frameless laminated tempered glass. So it will feel open in the space that we are walking up instead of enclosing the entire space. Well, we are here on level 2, where we can see on the level 2 here is we call it the family space, or people call it as a family room. In this level 2, you can see around there's no windows. So naturally this place is a bit dark if in the day. We created an artificial daylight to bring in the daylight into this open enclosed space where the kids or the master of the house can gather here to even have a lounge, or a TV moment in space, and then going down to the living hall. Well, we are here on the level 2. Let's go to Joey's room.
Welcome to my room. Okay, let me show you the best part about this room. Come, yes. I love this piece of tiles. What should we call that?
This is a large format tiles, carefully curated also again from Florence. Very large format. You can see the print is very natural, and only large format tiles can be able to have this type of large print. You can see the grain in details.
With this, I think I feel the calmness. I feel relaxed when I come into this room. I don't know, this just like a thing of add-on to my beauty sleep. But I have a question. Would it drop on me?
Oh yeah, we'll rest assured, because this is very secure using marble glue and reinforced with plywood at the back of the structure. So we are very cautious about the entire installation process also.
So you know I'm safe. Something happened to me, find him, okay?
Wow, that's on camera. Open sesame!
Welcome to my walk-in wardrobe. Ta-da! Okay, this is not those traditional walk-in wardrobe that you have all the doors open and you can see all your clothing. I told KS that I'm very worried about dust. And I'm a lazy girl, I don't like to clean every day. So he actually suggested this walk-in wardrobe for me. So how do you have this idea?
Well, many times walk-in wardrobe is always exposed, clothing or in the open space. And what you see in the boutiques all are in one color, whereas in the reality all are multi-color, sizes all different. So I think she requested all to be hidden with a door to be enclosed, so dust will not get in, insect will not get in, all that. So are very tiny, tidy and organized. This is what she wants.
And I'm afraid of insect.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to showcase you these beautiful tiles that I simply love it. Come.
This is every girl's dream to have a dresser. See, a dresser within the walk-in wardrobe area where she can actually have all her, we call it her equipment to door herself up, within the same space. You can see here right from the bathroom, she can access to here. Her hair dryer is all within reach here. See, all these are within reach. Coming to this firstborn's room, we have reconfigured the room. This is a teenager, the firstborn. You see, teenager love privacy. We are able to create an L wardrobe here in this space here, so we will actually buffer the sound from the family room. Coming into here, this is where we can even fit in a queen size bed. A queen size bed in a small space here. Even though it's pretty spacious, you can see have a full size workstation, monitor, right? And ample storage here in this space. And the color is according to the feng shui that the prerequisite they requested. The color of the laminates they prefer, and they chosen the blues, the white and the grey. Let's go into the bathroom. Bathroom also another key elements that we focus on. You see, in this bathroom, all the tiles are handpicked by Joey, handpicked by her. She won these Italian tiles. A lot of imperfection here. This is what the feature about here. This is a special effect paint that adds character to the space. Why is it being applied in the stairway? Because we have to distinguish these two spaces, from the stairway to the family room. See the difference. Let me walk you up to level 3. It used to be a room and a aircon latch. Let's have a look and see how we transform the space. Now we are level 3. Let's take a look at level 3 room. This is a smaller child's room in this house. Look at the queen size bed. Amazingly, we have a queen size bed in this space on level 3. In level 3, we can even have lights that are emitted from the window and make the room is so bright and airy. In this room, we are able to create an L-shaped study table. Ample space for him for future when he study. He need a lot of space. Even the printer is also ready, available, easily available, accessible, very close to him. On your left, you can see the wardrobe. See a tons of wardrobe, full height wardrobe. We can store a lot of his amenity and clothing. Let's look at the ensuite bathroom. Looking at the mosaic tiles, you see, this is the mosaic tiles that we carefully selected to incorporate into this lively bathroom. You can see the shower area and the vanity. Hi, this is a family middle child room. Looking at this space again, we are able to put a full-size queen bed. A full-size queen bed for this boy and a full-size wardrobe. Right? You can see on the front here where the lights can at the window will be able to bring in to enlarge and enhance the space. We have a plan, also an L-shaped study space for him. This is a space where we created here for him to house his medal, books, or any other things that he would like to display. On your left here, you see, this is the only another room here we are able to create an ensuite bathroom. Previously, this was an air well. We are able to enclose it and create into an ensuite bathroom. Looking at the color on the wall, all these colors are carefully coordinated with green and white right down to the shower area. Right? And coming out here, we're going to the next door. There's another opening to the open balcony. What was here on the open balcony used to house all the compressor. We relocate all the compressor to the back of the house and put in a jacuzzi here. So the occupant in the family, from the young to the old, can enjoy this open space and the comfort of their home. This is a football table. In level 3, a lot of times in the inter-terrace, this place is always neglected and become a storage. For the homeowner, we are able to put a football table here for the kids to enjoy the space. This is an outdoor cooking space. Nothing is spares in this house, even from outdoor We complete the outdoor with a gas stove, sink, top and bottom cabinet. It looks from like indoor to outdoor cooking. A full-size fridge here, okay, right down to the washing machine and dryer. These are carefully constructed to keep in a space where it's not supposed to be seen. This is the house. We change right down to the gate, to the roof tiling. The colors also we change to make it more personalized for the homeowner.
Hey Google, dim the light. Hey Google, close the curtain.
House is completed. That's not the end. We will always be here to look after you, your house, for this home and your next home. Let us cheers to the journey ahead of us.
Thank
Cheers.
you. Cheers.